Paraíso de Avedad. It's an abbreviation actually of Adoradores del Solo Virgen de Dios Espíritu y Verdad. Because we are Marian devotees, we believe in the divine feminine and mother. And usually we greet our guest here, the word Ave. Ave for us means light, and light is mother, and light is God. So ganun kami namumuhay dito.
We have a swimming pool, we have lodging places for those who want to stay overnight. May mga sports facilities kami.
We have several activities also because we are into sacred healings, the Reiki, bamboo healing, meditation.
We support universities, kaya may mga OJT kami na mga senior high school na arts and design students because we have School of Art and Design. Our gallery and other arts like dancing is helping them to improve their skills.
Variety kasi yung sa amin.
Actually, it's more
So,
on
may
Filipino
Filipino.
dishes.
So parang ang dinadayo dito sa amin is yung okoy, kulawo, kare-kare. Naging ano namin is yung fine boodle namin. It's a boodle type, pero don't have to use yung kamay-kamay. Kaya tinawag namin fine boodle. Kaya yung sabihin nilang paraiso, tuwang-tuwa na kami kasi yung feelings namin sa sarili naming lugar, na-impart namin sa kanila. So yung feedback naman, lagi naririnig namin is, babalik kami. So, doon pa lang ang saya-saya namin. Ibig sabihin kasi, napasaya namin yung mga bumibisita doon. It's a fulfillment for us na naging masaya sila sa pagkapunta sa lugar na ito.
Yung mga tao, marinig mo pagka papalabas na, ang sarap ng pagkain. Parang gano'n ba? Tapos sasabihin namin, thank you for coming to Paraíso de Avedad.
Actually, ang happiness namin is, yun ang contribution namin sa bayan ng San Pablo, na merong ganitong lugar sa aming minamahal na bayan.
One thing more, wala kasi kaming entrance fee. Kaya all walks of life ng mga tao, nakakapasok sila lahat and they enjoy the place.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.